Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 166 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something quick here, something that not many people do. You can hear my daughter in the background. Not many people do this, but if I don't do it where I live, it takes a very long time for the leaves to fall off my trees, especially the apples. If I remember, I'll link up a video right now about the apples. I have to actually pull the leaves off of my apples or the leaves don't fall off. Let me flip the camera around. See my daughter over here. She has a stick in her hand because we're here shaking off all the trees. This is my 4-in-1. Let me see if we can do ultra wide. So this is the plum. Excuse me. This is a white peach. That's a plum. Going that way is an apricot, and this is a nectarine. I have to, if I don't do this, we're going towards Thanksgiving, and you still see bright green leaves. If I could focus. So I have to go through and shake the leaves off, and they barely come off. Only the yellow ones do. So if I don't pull these leaves off, if I don't pull them off, they'll still be on here almost in December. And these plants come out of dormancy middle of February, beginning of March. So they'll only have about 2 months of dormancy. They only have 2 months of dormancy. Ew. They only have, they only have two. She didn't hit nothing. Hey, don't hit the almond. This one. Okay, sweetie, you're gonna break all the flowers off. So, in my area, Zone 9B, Central California, I have to take off the leaves. It doesn't, and it helps with cleanup too. So, hey, you didn't hit my hand. Oh, that she did. All right, everybody. It's not that easy to film and take care of a child in the garden. But yeah, so if you live in my type of climate, you have to, there's the donut peach right here. You have to take off the leaves. And it helps later on to help clean up faster. So instead of a little bit of leaves coming off it slowly, you could just take off a whole bunch of leaves and rake them up and pile them if you want to compost it, etc., etc. Or leave them where they are, not on grass. Move them off the grass and let them compost where they fall. Is that a rock? All right, everybody, I gotta go. Happy gardening. Oh, Jesus.